Able to see my screen? Have you liked this class? Better than your 101? No. How many like the class? Ayo. Remember, no, don't like the class. Only chair. Imagine that. Oh, generally Python student, Java students, 200 members, 300 members, how they will sit? Like general. You are lucky, no? Volume mention. Chalo. Very good. First of all, you need to connect with your internet. Aha. You want Wi-Fi password? Arey wah. That's why what I am telling. थोड़ा चैटिंग गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड को कम करे तो हाँ इंटरनेट मिलता हाँ चैट विथ लाउडली चैट विथ हाँ चैट विथ चैट जीपीटी ओनली चलो कनेक्ट विथ योर इंटरनेट the main impression to start these sessions definitely it's you only ma. I want to say thank you, it's you only, because when I ask you to do prompt engineering course, many of the students started, but many of the students not able to write the code. Okay, so you started, but you are not able to write the code. You are getting the errors. Some people are trying very hard, but they are not able to understand the code. But still they tried. So I thought, sir, people are messaging me. People are talking with me personally. Sir, I am not able to connect that API keys. I am not able to understand that code. So then I decided, why can't we conduct the separate sessions only on this? Trust me, there is a separate new course will be started in the soon everywhere, Python plus GenAI. Separate course will start. Wherever, any institute, any programming language, already the big it is already started. So I really appreciate that. First of all, these sessions are started for only for you only. The sessions are started for you only for you only. I really appreciate that. So after this session today, so you will not able to confuse about something, how to connect with the your Python code. Here all type of classes people are there. Some people already completed Python and they practice very well, and some people are started Python. In our class, some people are there. Those interested people already course is completed. They also join. For them also, the GenAI session is completed. Even some people are joined. I am speaking. Chinna, Sanjeev. Am I audible to you, ma? Can you please confirm the chat? Am I audible to you? Yes. Yeah. Sanjeev, please check your laptop settings. Please check your laptop settings. Please check your laptop settings. Now, so these sessions every Saturday, morning hour summa, the sessions parallelly every Saturday will conduct, and Sunday will conduct the workshops. The Saturday sessions, morning class is only for you only. Don't share the link. for you only. And don't share the link to anyone. Don't share the link to anyone. Share the link to anyone. It is only for you only. That is the rule number 1. Sunday workshops is a different. Sunday workshops every 2 weeks or 1 week also it will work. Sunday workshops. But don't miss the Saturday morning classes now onwards. That you need to be pray yourself, like I don't want to miss the Saturday morning class and workshops. In fact, any class, okay? Any class you should not miss. Chalo. Before going to that, I want to give you some definitions. What is generative AI? What is generative AI? And what is LLM model? What is LLM models? And what is prompt engineering? What is prompt engineering? And what is few shots? What is few shots? What is zero shot? What is zero shot? What is the tokens? What is the tokens? You need to understand this definition first. So first one is what ma? What is generative AI? Second one is what ma? What is LLM model? Third one is what is prompt engineering? Fourth one is few shot. Next one is zero shot. It is not that kind of shots what you are thinking. Okay. Pub wala. Chalo, next. Generative AI. Generative AI. So generative AI, the name itself is saying that it can generate the model. The model can generate. The model can generate essays, poems, solutions, math answers, songs, videos, and music also. That's why the name is called what ma? Generative. How a human being can do. Like yesterday I showed you now, there are 3 kids in my family. One family is like a storyteller. Another family is a musician. Another family is a dancer, na? Pura film industry is there mera home mein. Like that. So every human being is every human has a specific task, has a specific skill, has a specific skill. I can teach, I can teach, I can talk, I can talk. But if anyone comes on me, I can't hit them because I am so short, na? Like that, I can't hit them. But you can hit that person. Suppose Ayman is there, bodybuilder, he can hit. But might be Ayman not able to teach like me. Okay. Suppose Anirudh is there. He is, good speech, he can talk. But he is not able to write properly. Okay. Our Nandu is there. He is a good dancer. Okay. Nandu dancer, no? No dancer. He is a good dancer. But he is not able to write the proper code sometimes. So different people has a different task. How about a AI can do all the task? Interesting, no? How that AI is doing all the tasks? Because always you remember, in a human being, it is will be there. Human brain analogy with AI. Human brain with analogy with AI. We can say this neural network. Concentrate on this diagram, everyone. Concentrate on this diagram. This is your brain. This is your brain. In the brain, this is only one cell body, means one neuron. In the brain, there are millions of neurons will be available like this. Millions of neurons. This is only one neuron. But which means one neuron can able to see, and we are not able to see because so small it is. So this is about your thinking process. So the thought process will travel to connect with another neuron. The thought process, the thinking power, the human being thinking power. You are doing solving the toughest question. Then this neuron will be energized. And when it will be energized, the information will pass through the next neuron. Now the same way here also, voice is breaking, ma. Screen is not visible. Voice is breaking. अरे क्या हुआ? 1 minute, huh? Are you able to see screen? Able to see screen? Voice also okay, right? Both are fine. Yeah. So what I'm saying, ma, in a human body, there are so many millions of neurons will be available. So here one neuron connected with this is the next layer. The information will pass through the next layer. Here one more neuron will be available. The same analogy, this is the one neuron. Another neuron is connecting here. Another neuron is connecting. So are you getting analogy now? So this is the network will happen in the robotic, in mind, programming way. This is happening in your brain. Now here who is passing? Information is passing. So here also from one neuron to another neuron, who will pass? Information will pass. The information in the form of which respect to whom? Mathematics numbers. Mathematics numbers. So that's why the artificial intelligence are very important. The backend is called machine learning. How that the models will be learned because of the mathematics. So now onwards, how a AI brain will work means exactly your brain only, but in your brain, a information will pass, but in the artificial intelligence brain, neurons will be connected. That neural, this is called neural network. What we call? Neural network. Every neuron will able to convert into one number, which means, number means a emotion, kind of. I'm asking you that. Suppose, how is Pushpa movie? Pushpa movie, how is? Super, huh? Super. Then how can you convert that super to number? Means rating. 1 to 10, how much rating? 1. Suppose 8. Suppose 8. 8 means matlab kya? Best movie. Okay, better. Suppose Chava movie is there. Super, not super. Super hit, so okay, blockbuster. Blockbuster. How can you make the blockbuster 1 to 10? 1 to 10, how much? 10, na? 9. 9. So this, your emotion, your feel good is converting to number or not? Now, lelo one bakwas movie, any movie lelo. Okay. Now that is, what is the rating means of? Flop. Flop means kitna? Rating. 1.5 suppose. 1.5 is become a number or not? That is the information converted into what? Number. And how human being able to think like this? A man has a relation with woman. A man has a relation with the woman, that we already know that. Now, a apple has a relation with the fruit. Apple relation with the fruit. Now, same way, like if I give that like this, a man equal to king, then a woman equal to con. How you are saying that? That is the semantic relationship that will be identified in the 2015 only. King plus man minus man, woman equal to what? Queen. This is the first shock to the entire world. See the date 2015. King minus man equal to woman equal to what? Queen. The AI model able to identify this in the 10 years back. That is. That means they taken the king value, a vector value, king value, they subtracted minus man value, they added the woman value, automatically they got which value? Queen value. This happened because of the neural network. That is. So now, not only that, the AI things are very, very beautiful. If I say apple, apple matlab what you will remember apple means. Maybe some people get what? Fruits. Maybe some people will get what? iPhone. Apple is iPhone. Apple is iPhone. Some people able to think what? Company. Apple is a company, na? Apple is also a company. And Apple has the three ways. The human being can able to identify it is a fruit, oh, it is iPhone, oh, it is a company. Yeah, AI machine also can able to identify that. This is also because of we called embedding. What the name is called? Embedding. Embedding means every information is represented into some vector format. Every information. How this embeddings will happen, that you will learn in the NLP subject. Which subject? NLP subject. How your brain is connected, you will learn in which subject? Deep learning subject. This is which subject? Deep learning, neural network. And how this number representation is happening, which subject? NLP subject. Getting now? Getting some basic idea? How will it will happen? That we will learn in the class. But many people will not learn this, how this neural network will work, how these numbers will be converted. They will not learn. Simply, they will only learn the Python and they will start working on the use cases. That is your big employees. Those are 25 years of experience, 30 years of experience, manager level, director level, like that. Because they want to develop the revenue to the company. They don't want how it will works. They want only use cases. But for you, you are the research candidates. You should definitely know how a brain is functioning. That is related to neural network. How a word is representing with number, represent as number, and that is your NLP subject. So the subjects you need to concentrate very well when you learn in the class. But everything in order to do the research, the only one option कौन है? Python. That's all. No other option. Understood now? Getting basic idea now? So this is the way the AI models are developed. Online people clear ma? Everyone. Very good. Next. So generative AI can generate anything ma? Generative AI can generate anything. Can generate anything. If the model, if the any generative AI model working only on the purpose of text data, only which data ma? Text data, then that is called large language models. That is called which models ma? Large language models. Only on text data. Language term is there. Do you see? Language term. So this is called LLM models. That image that can be generate the images also. But we are not specifically calling that only which data? Text data only. The generative AI has a skill working only on which data? Text data, and that is called what ma? Large language models. So that is the difference between generative AI model and LLM model. Every model nowadays has a skill of large language models. Again, when we talk about this, I always encourage my students to remember the model names. Remember the model name. Tell me fatafat. What is the famous model? GPT model. What is the model? GPT using for chatting. That's why the name is called what? Chat GPT. Getting that's called model name is what ma? GPT model. What is the full form of GPT? अब बताओ. हाँ, loudly. हाँ सर, गूगल इट. करो, गूगल करो. गूगल करो चिन्ना. GPT. हाँ, generative pre-trained. हाँ, very good. Generative pre-trained transformers. Transformers. Generative pre-trained transformers. Focus on this. Oh, transformers means so triple E not transformers ille. Okay, a transformers is alag hai. Don't think like that transformer means on the road is there na. Pull that transformer is that is not the transformers. Transformers transformers is first invented by Transformers is first invented by Hugging Face company. Which company? Hugging Face. Hugging Face. कौन है Hugging Face? Same. Hugging Face होता ना, hug symbol. Like this. This is called Hugging Face. That is. This company take over by Google. This company take over by which company ma? Google. Now this is under the Google company. Stuck my screen stuck again. Now? अरे क्या हुआ? Now okay, fine. Stuck का? अरे. Some people are saying stuck, some people are saying okay. ये क्या रे? Now I'm asking question again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay na now? Working No. 1 minute, 1 minute. I will call to that admin. One minute. What is the full form of LLM bolo? What is the GPT full form? ఇక్కడ ఎవరు అన్నారమ్మా? Can you call anyone? 1 minute ma. Now okay. Why is lag is there? Should I connect with my internet or what? Okay, see. ఇది స్క్రీన్ లాగ్ ఉంటున్నప్పుడు షేర్ అవ్వట్లేదు, స్ట్రక్ అవుతుంది అంటున్నారు. స్క్రీన్ స్ట్రక్ అవుతుంది అంటున్నారు ఆన్లైన్ వాళ్ళకు. వాయిస్ ఆల్సో అంట, వాయిస్ కూడా కట్ అవుతుంది అంటున్నారు. నా వాయిస్ ఇస్ కటింగ్ ఆఫ్. 240 మెంబర్స్ దాకా ఉన్నారు. బట్ చాలా మంది అదే చెప్తున్నారు, స్క్రీన్ కూడా స్ట్రక్ అవుతుంది అంటున్నారు. ఇగో చాలా మంది అదే చెప్తున్నారు. టూ 2517 152 6559 112233. Voice is fine, but only screen is too late. Internet and problem. Speed test. బాగానే ఉంది. Give me 2 minutes ma. Give me 2 minutes. I will connect with another internet. Capital learning. Double line. Chalama. All audible right now? Screen is okay, right? The screen I'm keeping up. You see, right? Okay, very good. Chalo. Yeah, this is Hugging Face Hugging Face company. Transformers. Late, I think. Very type. Acha. Yeah, now. Okay, Ramano. Very good, huh? Perfect. Chalo. Yeah. So GPT again, we'll go to the full form of GPT. Bolo ma GPT full form batao. Generative pre-trained pre-trained transformer. So pre-trained मतलब क्या रे? Training before only so much data, right? So much data is required. Now that's why this is a base This is the base of all generative AI models. All Gen AI models. In upcoming session, we will do separate session on the only the transformers that we'll discuss. Now, that's why you know very well know that is called Chat GPT, you know very well. And next model is what? Gemini model. Why I like Gemini model means Gemini model is the free access. Free access. Like GPT OpenAI model, you need to pay the money. You need to pay the money. That's why I recommend only Gemini model only. And next one is a good model is called Llama. Llama is developed by whom? Meta AI, and Microsoft Copilot also there. Microsoft Copilot also there. Microsoft Copilot. Amazon which one ma? Bedrock is there. We will learn every model in the sessions, in each and every session. And XAI which model ma? XAI. Grok model. Grok different. GROQ different. Right? GROQ also Grok only, but both are different. Okay, don't worry about this. Now, some other models also, best models are available.
Meeting is being recorded.
How many models are there that you can want to see? Go to here, everyone. Lang chain, type it ma, Lang chain. Lang chain. Everyone type the Lang chain. In your phone or anywhere, you can type the Lang chain. Lang chain is the framework ma. Lang chain is the framework. Lang chain is the framework. Is a framework. It can able to connect. It can able to connect. It can able to connect any generative AI model. Any generative AI model. Generally, there are different generative AI models are there. If I want to use them, I need to use their packages, their standalone package, but LangChain has the flexibility. All the generative AI models collaborate with the LangChain framework ma. So you no need to go to separately Amazon website. You no need to go separately OpenAI website. You no need to go separately Google website. You can go which website? LangChain website. That's called LangChain framework. And the LangChain framework is, if you see here, you can click on this. LangChain means language connection. LangChain, language connection. Very, very helpful for text data, LLM models. And very, 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 very important task they are doing the RAG models using the LangChain framework. What is the full form of the RAG? Bolo, what is the full form of RAG? Google karo. Karo. Red, amber, green. Loudly. Bolo. Retrieval, augmented. Again, G means what? G means what? Generation only, na? Wherever you go, G means what? Generation only. GPT, generative, Gen AI, generative, RAG, G. What is there? Generative. What is the RAG model? Which means, suppose I am opening the chat GPT. I am opening the chat GPT. Suppose I am typing, who is Nalagoni Omkar sir? Data Science Institute, trainer at Naresh IT. Now it is giving like this. Suppose. Now, tell me upcoming. Tell me batch. How many batches? Omkar sir handling. What do you think? It will give answer this? Huh? Pakka? Yes no? Oh, pakka ko yes you are right. Why it is not able to give? Because it is a generic chatbot. Which chatbot it is? It does not train by Naresh IT data. So if you want to train Naresh IT data, if you want to create the chatbot, and that technique is called RAG. That technique is called what? RAG. What is the full form of RAG? Retrieval augmented generation. Now that's why the RAG become very biggest famous use case for the companies, because healthcare bots, financial bots, pharma bots, their own data, their own thing, and their own chatting. Na? That's why people are so much rigorously working on the RAG models. So RAG models will create the bots only, but their own specific data, not a generic data. Understood now? Now the RAG models can achieve by which framework? Which framework, ma? Lang chain framework. Now, if I open the RAG model application here, anyone can understand here. Just type RAG, RAG lang chain. Everyone, just type RAG lang chain. Type RAG lang chain. Enter. There's a RAG available. Build a retrieval augmentation. RAG. Are you clicking on this, everyone? The first one. Build a retrieval augmented. Coming, click on it. When you click on that, if you go down, now see this diagram. Just explain me this diagram. What is this diagram is doing? Use your common sense and tell me. First, what we are doing? Loading the data. When loading the data, here different symbols are there. What are the symbols are there? PDFs, text, images, tables, JSON, URLs. Anything can support or not? Any data can support. Next, what is doing? Splitting. Why it is splitting? I am taking full meals and putting in your mouth. Will you take it? What you will do? Split na? Paylo chicken, बाद में mutton, next fish. Will split it or not? Same. First we need to split the data, because we can't put all the data at a time. Now, next, this is the technique I told na. What is the technique? Every information will connect to what? Numbers. That technique is called embedding. And that we are doing what? Storing. That we are doing what? Storing. That is the part number 1. Now part number 2. That means information is stored. Now you are asking the question. How many batches omkars are taking? Information already stored. How many batches? Suppose 4 batches. Now you are asking a question. You are asking a question to whom? A generative AI model. Whenever you are asking a question, means that is called prompting. What is called? That is called prompting. Asking a question means prompting. That's why the asking a question is very important to the AI model. Asking a question. Asking a question is called as prompting. Simple. Prompting. Now, why we are worried about prompting? Tell me. Why we are worried about prompting? Because if I ask you that, if I ask you a question, if I ask you a generic question, you will give one answer. That answer, that my desired answer or not, I don't know. Because that might be a problem of the frame of question I ask you. If I ask the question, suppose I am, let's take the chat GPT only. This is the chat GPT only. Now, I am writing here, who are the top 5 India or top 5 cricketers? Let's see. Top 5 cricketers. Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, Jacques Kallis, now Muttiah Muralidharan. You are expecting a Rohit Sharma. Suppose you are expecting a Rohit Sharma, or you are expecting a Ricky Ponting, Steve Waugh, Mark Waugh, McGrath, or you are expecting a Dale Steyn, you are expecting a Anderson, but that names are not giving. Then what you need to take? You need to type one more question. What is that? who are the top 5 cricketers. Suppose you want all rounders only. They can bat and bowl. They can bat and bowl. Now, top 5 all rounders, bat and bowl. South Africa, Sir Gary Folsobers, Kapil Dev, Imran Khan, Ben Stokes. But you want Ellis Perry name, not the male name. That means use problem. Your problem. The way you are asking question is wrong. Then I want consider both male cricketers and that pura question likhna. That is called what? Prompting. That's called what? Prompting. Now you can ask the question. I want mix of both men's and women's. Both men's and women's cricketers. Then you can see that. Kajao. Thinking. Whenever I say women, it is thinking. Funny thing. The great choice, the mixture of top all-rounder cricketers, both men's and women. Next, internet problem. Who are excel both batting and bowling? Jacques Kallis, men. Have you ever seen Jacques Kallis play? You know that? What is he? Very good. Ellis Perry aa gaya now? You know Ellis Perry, who is that? Isala cup namde. They are depending only on the her only. Always. Kapil Dev and Taylor, not Taylor Swift, right? Ben Stokes. That is. Now suppose give me top 5 cricketers. This is a general prompt. Top 5 cricketers male. This is a general prompt. Now you are asking give an example. Now those who play cover drive. Those who play cover drive like Sachin. Like Sachin is what? Example. Like Sachin is what? Above questions are no examples. That is called zero shot. That's called which prompting? Zero means no example. So now prompting and next one is what ma? Zero shot. Zero shot means direct prompt without any example. Without any example. That is called zero shot. Now one shot means prompt with one example. One shot means what ma? Prompt with one example. Prompt with one example. Now let's see. Now Virat Kohli, Babar Azam, Kane Williams, Joy Reid and Kumar Sangakkara. Like that. Now you can give one more example also. Those who can play straight drive or those who can play cover drive, both. I want like that. Now 2 shots, 3 shots. That is called a few shots. Understood now? Prompting means what? Bolo? Asking a question. Zero shot means what? Asking a question without any example. One shot means what? Prompt with only one example. Now come to your rag diagram. Come to your rag diagram. Follow rag diagram. What it's saying here? Very, very easy. Everyone can be able to say now diagram. First क्या करना? Load करना. Next क्या करना? Next क्या करना? Embedding. Embedding means what? Converting a text to here who will do? A machine learning model will do. That's called NLP model will do here. Here also backend model will work. Then what you will do? Store the data. After storing the data, what you are asking? Question. Whom to ask? LLM model. Then LLM model will give what? Answer. So that is called simple technique of the RAG. People are dying for this use case nowadays in the companies. Every company is developing this. Now everyone in your resume, this use case should be there. That is. So for that, you need to learn the lang chain also, that will covered in the class. Now next thing is how much size of this vector should be present. How much size of this vector should be present to 2 or 3 or 30 or 40 or 50 or. Generally, it depends on the not the word ma. It depends on the not the word, because I will tell you that. Now, a cat on the mat. A cat on the mat. This is the one sentence. This sentence is converted into a vector. Imagine that. A vector. A vector like this. One, suppose A is 1, 2 is 1, 3, 4, 5. Now only cat is there. Only cat. Cat means if you think only one sentence, only one word, generally this some multiplication will be happen between this vector to this vector. Multiplication means the vector should be equal size, not different size. The vector should be equal size. Suppose you are writing one review on the Pushpa, you are writing 10 lines. Your friend is writing only 2 lines. Okay. 2 lines is a small vector, 10 lines is what? Big vector. We need to manage into same vector, because we will do what? Multiplication. We will do vector multiplication. That's why different companies will maintain 300, 5112, 5112, 786, 786, 1024. Generally they will maintain like this. This is called tokens. What is called? Tokens. How much is the token size? How much is the tokens? As of now, you remember only this word. Tokens means what? Vector size. Tokens means a vector size. Now understood my everyone? All the story? Chalo, we'll recall this. What is the generative AI? It can generate text, image, essays, songs, poems, music, all type. What is LLM model? Large language model. What is the meaning of that? A model, a generative AI model only work on text data. What is the best example, best use case of LLM model? Best use case, right? Use case, application, RAG. What is the application? What is the full form of RAG? Retrieval augmented generation. What is the meaning of prompt engineering? Asking a question to the generative AI model. What is the few shots? When we are asking, we are providing some examples. What is the zero shot? Without example. What is tokens? Very good. Now we'll start with the Python now. Very good. Open your Google Colab. Type Google Colab. Yeah, Vivek, I will try to give my best. Tomorrow workshop is, what is the use of workshop is tomorrow we are creating the agents. For example, again I am asking the ChatGPT, can you book a flight for me? What do you think? ChatGPT will do but agent can do. But who can do? Agent can do. That is a different. That's why now people are dying about the agents now nowadays. So whatever is the generative AI now, can you book the flight means I can't directly book the flight, but agent can book the flights. Can you give me the travel plan advisor? Can you provide my 3 days travel plan? Where will go? Andaman with my wife. Let's see. Now day 1, day 2, it's giving everything. Now, this time Jammu Kashmir, have luck. Radhanagar beach is the one of the best beach in the entire world. Okay, you should definitely see that. Radhanagar beach. And adventures and depot, elephant beach. Hota nara, what is that? We called. Oh, ride hota na? Like, dun, dun, dun. What is that called? Jet ski, yeah? Jet ski nahi re. There is something is there like this. In the water only. The driver will be there. You and your girlfriend only will be there. You can go like. Nothing will happen. Okay, don't worry. And scuba diving also one nice thing you need to try. You should not like you go to the deep sea. You can try that. But when you got the job, okay. Now water sticking, huh? 1 minute, ma. Now can you book a hotel? Now you can ask that my budget is only 5,000 rupees. Imagine that. Now prepare a plan for this. Then it will give or not. Let's see. Quite tight, but I can suggest. Stay 800 to 1200, food, transport, entry fee. 50 cellular jail, 200% dinner at that. So here now, but an agent can guide you based on your amount. He can guide you that exactly where you should stay, which hotel you need to stay, and which hotel you need to go for food, and at what time you need to go. That all he will give. A agent can do. That's why you need to learn the agents. 1 minute, I will tell about the tokens. What agent can do, what you cannot do, the same thing. What you cannot do. Then we'll ask the chat GPT only. What is your drawback? Agent can what? Book flight, hotels, get exclusive discounts, travel agent. Now not travel agent, right? What AI agent? I'm talking about, this is called prompt engineering. Okay. AI agent. I'm asking about AI agent. Got it. A agent can do that, take real world actions, interact with APIs, learn and adapt, perform the multi-step tasks, operate in. What I can do? Give recommendations only. Help to decision making. You can also make the decisions, but agent can take the decisions. Now, generate the content, assist, cannot take direct actions, cannot access external data, do not operate autonomously. So I suggest best flights, but AI agent can search flights, book one, and send you the confirmation. That's why people are dying about the agents. Now, similarly, after few years, a agent can be stay here in front of you with the face mask and everything, with the body and everything. That is the next upcoming. That's the agent thing. So what I'm saying, tokens means every uh, every every sentence we know is convert into numbers, and that numbers we call what embeddings. The size of the embeddings is called as token, is called as tokens. Different AI models maintain different sizes. Like some models 300 size, some models 768 size, some models 1024 size. Especially your Google models maintain the 768 size. Clear, Mano? Tokens means online people, everyone? Very good. Now everyone open the AI Studio. AI Studio. Google AI Studio. Everyone open the Google AI Studio. Open the internet is working properly for your mobile phones? No? Are Bapre. Even that work also, you will say no, na? Because Omkar sir will give internet. You are thinking that. Azad, how are you? Good? In chat? Huh? Very good. Chalo. Open the Google AI Studio. Type it here. Google AI Studio. Same only. You are going little early, Pavan. You need to go with me. You need to go with me. It's same like ChatGPT only. Here you can type some questions. You can type any question here. The same question. Hey, how many? 140, yeah? Type any question here. Like, who are top 5 Indian cricketers? Now run here. ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Grok is a good interactive things, but this is not that much interactive. When you see that, you will feel like that. ChatGPT is better UI than the Google AI Studio. You will feel like that. Okay. Because ChatGPT plain only question or answer, question or answer. Here so many things are there, no? Like this. So you might not feel better. Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli and everything is coming. Now, always, whenever you open any UI, always focus on like this, okay? Look at the board. Wherever you go, any UI, you always need to focus is what is your left side available. What is your left side? What are available? What is your right side available? What your top is available? And what bottom available? And what middle available? 5 parts. Every page you need to break the 5 parts. Whenever you open any UI. Because in the future you will become IT employee, you will work with so many websites, so many frameworks. So always, whenever you open any framework, you need to always focus on what are the left side icons, what are the right side, what are the top, what are the bottom, what I can do in middle. Always you need to focus this. Now focus on here now. Left side, what are available? Right side, what are available? Top side, what are available? Down side, what are available? And this main is what are available. That you need to observe. Generally, we already know that this is your Google AI Studio. This is your Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio. And you will write the Python code in your laptop. In your laptop, you will write the Python code. In your laptop, you will write the Python code. Now you need to make the connection from here to here. From here to here, you need to make the connection. Here to here, you need to make the connection. In order to make the connection, you require a API key. What do we require, ma? API key. Not only Google Studio, anything, whether ChatGPT, whether Llama model or Grok model, you want to write a Python code in your laptop, definitely what do you require, ma? API key. Generally, you log in with the Gmail account in your laptop or not? How you are login? Username, password. Means here also same API key. Aadhaar card jaisa. You required what? Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card nahi to no entry. Aadhaar card hai to entry milta. Who is Aadhaar card here? API key. So we need to get the API key. Always think about if you want to connect the third party websites, you need API keys. Okay, third party websites. Even though if you want to log in the Twitter from your your Python code, Twitter account chahiye. You want to log in the LinkedIn account chahiye. You want to log in the Google Gmail account, credentials chahiye. Same way here also what we required API key. Now where is your API key? How it is the company is for them? Not getting how it is in the company, sir, for them own API key. Company matlab every company using either Google AI Studio and those only na. Company will buy the API keys and they will share to employees. Now click on get API key. Click da. Click on get API key. Click on get API key. Again, left side, right side, top side, bottom side, middle side. Always focus on that only. Okay. Whenever I conduct the workshops also, left side means concentrate on what? Left. Top means top. Right means bottom means bottom. Always. Under the get API key, now there is a read each and every line. Money will not cut if you read it. Okay. Money will not cut. Read each and every line. First, what is there? API keys. Next, what is there? Quickly test the. Next, what is there? API quick start guide. What is this? Curl language. Which language? Curl language. Now go down. What is this? Create API key. Under this, are you able to see anything? No? Those who are seeing means you already created something. Those who are not able to see means you did not created anything yet. Good students. So now there is a pay as you go pricing is there. Have you noticed this? Last means it might be free available, it might be money also available. Free means एक ही बार बिरयानी मिलता, बार बार नहीं मिलता. Okay, that means you can't use lifelong. You can't use lifelong. So can you click on the pay as you go pricing? Click on the pay as you go pricing. Pay as you go. The current model name is called Gemini 2.0 Flash. What is the model name? Gemini 2.0 Flash. Now come down. Now you see free tier, paid tier. How many tokens? Here 1 million token means 1 million words. 1 million words are okay, fine. Input price how much? Free tier. Free. Here how much? 0.10 cents. Means kitna? 8 rupees. 9 rupees. 9 rupees. Like that. Free, 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 free. And this is the some money is available. 2.0 Flash, money is available. So company will buy this. Whenever the project will come, company will pay for the API keys to the Google, and that API keys will hand over to you, and you will work those API keys. How much you use those work API keys, every month bill will be generated. In the company, there are so many employees will be there, so much billing. Like that, that's why this is called product-based companies. We are service-based company. Google has created their own product, and Cognizant is using that product. Cognizant is using that product and giving the service to HDFC Bank. So because the HDFC Bank is saying that identify the loan defaulter. So that is the HDFC Bank use case. HDFC Bank approach to Cognizant. Cheap hota. They will not approach to Google. Google hai to bahut cost hota. Now Cognizant is approaching to whom? Google. This is a circle. Understood now? So product based means they have own products. उसमें बहुत ज्यादा पैकेजेस मिलता. सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी कम पैकेजेस मिलता. सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी में चीप एंड बेस्ट. TCS one of the best example. Like that. Now again back to go to your API keys now. Another tab is already there. Now create API key. Create API key. Now, what is the reading here? Read it, everyone. Select a project from your existing Google Cloud projects. In your Google Cloud projects, my Google Cloud, my account, it is login with my account. If you see here, if you again open another tab, AI Studio type karo, open another tab, AI Studio type it, you can able to see my account here. Here also you can able to see, somewhere here not coming. Here before it is shown here, our email ID. Okay, leave it. Come here. Look at the board now. Select a project from your existing Google Cloud projects. Then there is a search box is there. Many of the people, when asking them to, if any project is a search means, they will are simply staying like this. See, you are the younger generation kid. You should not stay calm. You should do something because money will not cut, first of all. Okay, if cursor is there na, what you will do? Do monkey type, click karo. Monkey क्या करेगा? कुछ भी करेगा ना. While you are going on the road, you will just do like this on the some tree. Because inherently monkey will be available in every body. Will just do like that, the tree. But just for time pass, that's all. There is no reason. Monkey type थोड़ा करेगा. Just click on that here. Then you will see some projects. How many projects you are seeing? Which project? Generative language client. Very good. So click on that. Click on that. Those who are already created, don't need to create now, okay? Those who are creating new. Before the no project, this is a masked. Correct? It is a masked, see? Create API key in existing project is masked. When I select the project, it is what happened? Enabled. It is the enabled. When you click on that, the API key will come. When you click on that, what will come? API key will come like this. Generating the API key. Generating the API key. Okay, now online people? Your API key generated, huh? Very good, very good. Whenever you generated any website API key, thoda पढ़ लो इधर. Read it. Use your API keys securely. Do not share them or embed them. Code in public can view. But some websites, what they will say na, copy karo jaldi, I will not show it again. Okay, some websites will say this. What they will say that? Copy karo jaldi, I will not show again. Even though by mistakenly you did not copy this, it will be available here. It is available here. First key, second key, third key, fourth key. Click on that, you can able to see the key. But in some websites, they will not show this option ma. Always be careful. Always be careful. ऑनलाइन पे बोलो, अब बोलो क्या हो रहा है? Very good, na? You already created, na, Sandeep? Already created, na? First time we give directly, yeah? Very good. Shanti, you are not seeing anything. Then create the key, na, ma? Shanti. Ah, it's okay, na? So you are saying what? Sir, without entering project itself, I am getting the key. That only, na, you are saying that. Without entering project itself, I am getting T. Ah, you are so lucky people, ma. Good, good. Then I am saying that you are lucky people. Enjoy the luck. चलो API की कॉपी करो somewhere. API की कॉपी करो. Copied API की. Now we'll write the code. We can write the code. We can write the code. Your Jupyter notebook. Your Jupyter notebook. Your Jupyter notebook, and we can write the code in the VS Code. We can write the code in the Google Colab. So, but you need to install the packages in the Jupyter notebook and VS Code. Under the Jupyter notebook, we need to install the package. Now everyone know very well about the package, correct? We already each and every class completed the package concept. Package will do what will do? Specific task. Specific task. Time dot sleep. क्या होता? It will be after give the output after 2 seconds or 5 seconds. Random integer. What it will do? Generate the random integer. Math dot square root. What it will do? Generate the square root of the answer. So everything their own packages. In the local Jupyter notebook, we need to install the package. Here also we need to install the package. Here also we need to install the package. Which related packages? The Google Gemini API related packages. Which packages, ma? Google Gemini API related packages. Which related packages, ma, in the VS Code also? Google Gemini API packages. But in the Google Colab, no need of install package. No need to install package. Why, tell me? Why, tell me? Huh? మీది తినాలే మాది తినాలే we don't know what buy Google Colab what developed by which company? Google. Which model you are using? Google. That's why no need to install the package. No need to install the package. VS Code is developed by which company? Microsoft. You are different, I am different. You should use the package. Getting now? And VS Code will take separate session. Next week we'll take the VS Code session. So this today we'll take the Google Colab. Now open the Google Colab, everyone. Real time depends on company, ma. My company, my thing is called Google client, my company. I work for what? I am CTS guy, but my client is what? Google. I generally work only with which one? Google Colab only. It depends on project, it depends on company. Getting ama? So every platform you need to learn. That's why in the starting only I told every platform we will learn in the class. So first of all, everyone able to create the API key? Clear? Very good. So tomorrow you are reducing my burden then in the class. Google Colab type karo. Open it. Open new notebook. Read it. Whenever you are seeing this, everyone, when you open, Read it. You close na immediately. I know. I know my beautiful students. पहले read करना रे भाई. Examples, recent, Google Drive, GitHub, upload. GitHub session is completed na? Except 5:30 p.m. batch. Remaining people are completed na? Upload means क्या करेगा? Upload. GitHub means from GitHub say we can take what? Notebooks. Google Drive we can take from where? Drive. Recent means latest. Examples means the company is providing some example reference notebooks. अब cancel करो. When you are cancelling now again, left, right, top, bottom, middle. Sometimes here what is available only? Left available, top available, bottom is not available na? Only middle. So that's why always focus on that. Chalo, next. Go to file. Go to file. Open notebook or new notebook. Open means what? Already existing notebook. Upload means upload from local laptop. New means पहला वाला. Now क्या open करना? New notebook. Open करो new notebook. Now again, left, top, right, bottom, middle, always. But here also again, what is available? Left available, top available, middle available, bottom is not available anything. Right also available. Very, very important thing is, if you want to connect with that, if you want to run this, you need to connect with the internet. क्या चाहिए? Internet चाहिए. When I am asking to people to connect, people are doing the drop down. They are clicking like this. Okay, people are clicking like this. Don't click it. Click on direct what? Connect. Click on direct connect ma. Don't drop down like this. Click on connect. Connected, huh? Connected, huh? Very good. This is a markdown ma. Text means what? Markdown. Text karo. Text karo. Or write it. Markdown. How can you write? Ash access Gemini model. Access Gemini model. Save it. Same only. Same Jupyter notebook only. Same Jupyter notebook only chinna. Access Gemini model. Access Gemini model. क्या रे? Text पे mark down करो. Like this. Text click here. Click on a type something. My name is Shambaji. Type करो. Like that. मूर्ति all day ना इरोजो. Anirudh is such a great person, you know. Anirudh has done night shift and again coming to class. Night shift हो गया and class को आ गया. Some people are give a big applause. Night shift हो गया and class को आ गया. Some people are still sleeping in Amirpet hostel, right? Some people are worrying about tiffin. अरे सार 8:30 बोल दिया टिफिन मिस हो जाएगा. We'll go for lunch, we'll go for dinner one day, don't worry. Not today. Today Saturday na, no non-veg. Tomorrow Sunday, na? Family time. Chalo, next. And we have one more person is there. Okay. Here, so many big inspirational students are there. Like Ayman is there. Ayman came from USA. Okay. And he stayed 6 months here. He studied, he learning, he's struggling a lot. And he learned something. The guy is, getting the inspire by himself every time. That is. And Gangaram Yadav is there in the 10:30 am batch. His marriage happened in the 20 days back, I think. I don't know his honeymoon is happened or not. He's attending the class every day. So many people are there. And so many 45 years ladies also there in our class. That is. So why I'm telling that the younger guys, 21, 22 years, those who are sleeping in Amirpet hostel, I'm telling you guys, the sky is limit. So many people are working, they are giving best. That is. Now, I will not tell you to write the thing. I will teach you where you have to find the code, where you have to grab the code, how to understand the code. Okay. Now, again, go to your AI Studio. Go to your AI Studio. Go to your AI Studio again, everyone. Go to your AI Studio. Click on the Google AI Studio. Every organization, they will give the documentation. Every organization, they'll give the documentation. I also will learn. So many professors also will learn. So many trainers also will learn like that only. You should also will learn. Because after 6 months, you'll get job. You'll go to the IT company. A new thing will come. No one will teach you. You should learn by your own. How? By going through the company documentation. By throwing your company documentation. Because we learn better than others because we have a skill. We are able to understand what is the error. We are able to understand where to catch, how to catch. And that you are learning in the classroom. Now, in this, somewhere documentation available. Where it is available? Bola loudly. Left side or right side? Left side top or bottom? Very good. Go to there. API documentation. Click on that. API documentation. Now again, left side, top side, bottom side, middle side. Now concentrate on middle. What is there? Python code, Node.js code, REST API code. Here, the code is already there. What is that? From Google, import GenAI. GenAI dot client. GenAI dot client. And you have to provide what? API key. It is exactly the code is available right there to access the code. Now, concentrate on the left side now. What is that? Get started. What is that? Quick start. Click on the quick start. Click on the quick start. Again, go to the middle. What are that? Python, Node.js, REST, Go language. In order to install the package, what is the package name? Pip install -q -u Google GenAI. This pip installation not required for Google Colab, but the pip installation required for whom? Jupyter Notebook. Suppose you open that and you can run the Jupyter Notebook, or you can do that here also. Here not required, but I am doing. Okay, not required, but I am doing. Copy there. Here not required, but I am doing. This is the package installation. Pip install -q. శ్యామ్ గారు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? మీరు వచ్చారా? గ్రేట్ గ్రేట్. పిప్ ఇన్స్టాల్ -q -u Google GenAI. Sham is my colleague. The Cognizant, same company. It is not required, ma, not required. But the same process you need to do if you want to do in the local Jupyter notebook. Here it is not required, but do the same process, when you work in your local laptop, when you learn your local laptop Jupyter notebook or VS Code. Very good. Okay. Again go to the documentation. Updates, ma, updates. Old and new updates. Now you see here. Next code is what there, ma? From Google import GenAI. From Google import GenAI. From Google import GenAI. Exactly copy button is there na chinna? Copy button. Copy karo. Exactly copy button is there. Copy karo. Copy code. Copy da? Paste there. Paste there. You tell me what is the meaning of this each and every line. Come on, my beautiful students. From Google, what we are importing? Once more this step. Divya, that you are in this step, ma? Copy here. Copy, this button is there. Don't copy like this, right? My beautiful students, copy button is there here. What is this button, ra? White, dark. Dark, white. Like that. Copied, huh? Very good. GenAI. Now, GenAI is calling which function? Client. GenAI is calling which function? Inside client, what is expecting? Your API key means not that your API key is there, na? Now don't copy it. Okay? First run it. Let's do it. Now that you save in which variable? Client. Client dot under what is there? Under models, what is the one more function? Generative content. Generative content, how many functional arguments? Bracket, small bracket means function, right? Small bracket means what? Random dot randint. Taking how many arguments? Two arguments. A comma B. Here also how many arguments? Two arguments. First argument name is what? Model name. What is the model name? Gemini 2.0 Flash. Tomorrow Gemini 3.0 will come. You need to keep on check the documentation. Next, contents means prompting. Ask your question. Explain how AI works. Remove that. Ask your question. Give me top 5 cricketers. Give me top 5 cricketers. Today match is between whom and whom? Today match. No match, huh? India versus South Africa. England. Who will win? South Africa. England West. Only type response. Remove the .txt. Only type response. Don't give API key. Run it. First run it, ma. First run it. You will get error. What error is coming, you read it. First run it. Don't give your API key, Chinna. Don't give your API key. Okay, what error coming, read it. What is coming? Read and down error hota na. What is that? API key not valid. Please pass a valid API key. Anyone can understand this or not? Jujube English only na. Plain English. API key not valid. Please pass your valid API key. The beauty of the codes nowadays is there the explain error is there. Are able to see explain error? May it will be the Jupyter notebook here connected with Gemini model. This is called Gemini symbol. Whenever you ask the explain error, it will give the code. Why the error is happening? Give the code. Click on explain error. Thinking, Gemini is thinking. Gemini is thinking. And Gemini is explaining. Suggested changes. Coming Gemini is explaining. That is also good user. Whenever you got the error, you'll ask the ChatGPT, generally. Here only directly you can click on. This is also ChatGPT only. It will give code. It will give the code. So that's why Google Colab is now so much interactive now. Automatically will come. Very good. Now API key there. Here you need to provide API key. Where is my API key? I copied somewhere. Get your API keys. This is my API key. Copied. Copy your API key. Go here and paste here. This is my API key. Pasted. Chalo. Siddharth Achanda, Siddharth. Siddharth. You are the Siddharth? Acha. Your Baba is fine. Baba only, no? Good, good. From where you came? Ushirabad. Secunderabad. Very good. But this API key, now run it. For me, I am getting error. What is error coming? What is error coming? Quota X for you. Quota X are coming. Able to see answer? Very good, very good. Those who are getting quota exceeded, you need to log in with another email ID. You need to log in with another email ID. I बोल दिया ना बिरयानी एक ही बार मिलता है. बिरयानी एक ही बार मिलता. What is error coming? मेरा बिरयानी टाइम हो गया. मेरे को मिल गया. You got the answer. Very good, very good. Those who are getting error, quota exceeded, you need to change the कौन है? Email ID. This email ID. That is the one limit. Observation number 1. Observation number 1. those who are getting quota exceeded error. Quota exceeded error. Your free meals are time over. Your free meals completed. Your free meals completed. Log in with another email ID and create API key. Observation number 1. Okay, Nashina? Clear. Observation number 2. Look at the board. You got the answer. Very, very good. But this API key, if you share to anyone, they will also use, na? You need to hide this API key. क्या करना? Hide this API key. You should not show this. So, in order to hide, there is a left side, the keys option is there. Keys option. Click on that. Secrets. Secrets. I created my one secret. This is the value, you see. Here what is there? Add new secret. Add new secret. Seeing everyone? Click karo. Add new secret. Add new secret. Give one variable name. Give one variable name, any variable name. I already given API key variable name. I already given API key variable name. You also give any variable name. I'm giving small API key, suppose. Dummy API key I'm giving. Not working, na? Dummy key. I given one name, dummy key. Okay, na? You already copied the API key, na? I am copying the API key. When I copying, look at the board. It is coming with quotes or without quotes? Without quotes. So without quotes only you need to provide. Okay, don't provide with quotes. Means here provide the without quotes only. Like this. Provide without quotes only. Now come out and click on like this. I symbol will be off. On karo. Then dot dot aata. Over. Hide secret. Hide secret. Done. Notebook access is there, huh? Not there, huh? This notebook can able to access or not able to access, huh? Access, huh? Not access. Because off is there, na re? On karo, off karo. Common sense use karo. Off hai to what? Cancel. On hai to right. Give that on. On karo. Very good. Now API keys are ready. API keys are secretly saved. In the Python your notebook also we will use some methods called, in the Python we will use the methods called .env files, .env, .yaml, .config. We will create some separate files. We will save all our keys and we will access through Jupyter Notebook in the local. So everywhere you should not display directly the keys. Here the keys to open like this. In the down there is a code is there. What is that? Read the code. What is that? Access your secret keys via Python. Copy it. If you click on that now, directly this code will come to your Jupyter notebook, Chinna. The two buttons are there. You see that? This is only copy. This is the code will go to the there. I am clicking on this. So directly jumped here. You see? Directly came to here. But it came in the not top. I want to keep in the top. क्या करना? Up करो. क्या करना? Up. Now starting. Key is there. It is very simple code ma. From कौन है? किधर है? What you are importing? What is your user data? What is your user data? User data saved in which variable? Dummy key. So क्या provide करना इधर? Red color. Dummy key. क्या provide करना? Dummy key. Dummy hyphen key. Dummy hyphen key. Understood, Amma? From Google Colab, user data, dummy key. Run it. आ गया ना की? की आ गया. This key keep in one variable. Key equal to so many keys are there. Gemini key लिखो. Gemini key. Gemini key लिखो. And that instead of this entire red color, replace with which variable now? Which variable? Gemini key. Which variable? Gemini key. So now no one can able to see your key. If you share this notebook also. Now your key is secure. Your key is secure. Don't share your keys. Online people clear ma? किधर शक हो गया? Once more means. Subhashri? After? Idea. कौन idea है? Added ah? Here added. This code copied ah? Code copied amma? Now what is your name? What is the name you given? And that only you provide here. That only you provide here. When you only run this, you will able to see key or not, check it. Yes, I am able to see the key. I am able to see the key. Now, save in one variable. Gemini key. Gemini key. Now this key where we are using? Here API key na original code. Here copy karo, that's all. Now run it, you will able to see the answer. Those are first time seeing the answers. This time respond or text karo. I am using my key. My key always work. It's a paid key. It's a paid key, that is. Now I am able to see the answer. ChatGPT. ChatGPT क्या है? Nikhil, the output is one line, not getting like ChatGPT giving by one. Print करो, respond dot text करो, dot text. If you click on only response, It comes JSON format. Okay. In the .txt karo. That's why the default code .txt is there. .txt. This is the way you need to access the code. Understood now how to access the Gemini API key and how to write the prompting? Everyone. We can't generate the image. We need to pay the money in order to generate the images. Chalo, tomorrow we will use one Serper API. Serper, can you type it Serper everyone? Tomorrow agent के लिए we will do Serper. Dummy key means I saved my key in the variable of dummy ma. I saved my variable in the my key in the name of dummy. You can give any name also. Lakshmi also I can share it. Mahalakshmi. I'm saving with the Lakshmi. It's not coming. Off करना ना. क्या हुआ? I need to delete that again. I think maximum 10 times 10 prompts ma. I think. After 10 prompts the key will be expired. After 10 times if you run na the key will be expired. Don't run bar. If you run 10 times this code the key will be khatam. You need to create another key. Why free na re? Why kya re bro? Free bro. Rupali free. Like Rajendra said, use the different email ID. Go to Serper. Last one. We'll close this because I don't want to make you again trouble tomorrow. Serper. Read it ma. 10 minutes ma. 10 minutes. The world's fastest, cheapest Google search API. Click on that. Click on that. How many times we can query ma? 2000. क्या करना? साइन अप करो. क्या करना? साइन अप. सर्पर की साइन अप करो. राइट योर नेम. ओमकार एन अलगोनी ईमेल आईडी पासवर्ड दे दो. क्रिएट द अकाउंट फर्स्ट. क्रिएट इट. When you created, a link will come to your email ID. The display will come. A click on link will be sent to your email ID. Create the password chinna. I already have an account. I'm login. Wherever you go it. Read it. Either you can a mobile number OTP will come, or it will ask to go to your email ID. Click on a email link will come. Like that Serper. Like this Serper se aata like this. Please verify your email address. Hi Omkar, awesome to have a onboard on Serper to get started full access. Kindly confirm it. You'll get 2500 free credits will come. Serper. Then you'll able to see the dashboard like this. Dashboard. Seeing it is also third party na chinna. Here also क्या चाहिए? API key. Here also what there? Last class we taken what? Serpi. This is Serper. Last class we taken Serpira, Serpi. Both are different ray. That is Serpi. This is Serper. Click on that. The key is there. Can you copy the key and post in the Google Colab, save in the secret and access it quickly? Do the drill. Copy the key, go to the Google Colab, do as it is, save the secret key and run the code. How do we decide which company API key? Are they same for or the same job? Job is same ma. Every phone is same only na ma. Same way, this is the same only. We while learning purpose, we will always using this free one. But when you join in the company, company will decide what do you want to use. We always worry about the free things, na? User data code already available here. Pavan. In the down there the user data code is there. Are able to see the data code here. Pavan. संदीप फर्स्ट पहले ऐड करना सीक्रेट कोड ऐड करना डन ना यू वांट टू शेयर द स्क्रीन संदीप you want to share the screen error coming you want to share the screen say yes very good I'm giving the permission 1 minute Sandeep Shanmugam I'm making a panelist chalo now share the screen let's see how Sandeep will do tomorrow we'll use that ma Serpi API key tomorrow is the one of the best example because you already know how to access the LLM model now. You know how to write the prompt now. And you know how to access the Serpi API key. And tomorrow we are going to create the agent. Okay, I will explain one agent. Everyone should do at home another agent. Tomorrow is the one of the best class. And that you can add in your resume project also. So don't miss that. Sandeep, क्या हुआ रे? Share the screen, I'm waiting. Now share it. Now you can able to see. You can able to share now. Very good. Help to Sandeep. Why is getting error? Open Google Colab. Serper key. आ गए ना? Where you are getting error? क्या आ रहा है ना रे संदीप अरे there you are using Gemini key ना that is different this is different ना Sandeep is getting confused Serper key is different Gemini key different Sandeep are you understand no ra Sandeep even though you are changing the name means that is not a Gemini key na there is a Google API key. Now run it. Run it. पहले run करो. No. पहले run करो above one. AIJ. Now run this. अरे संदीप क्या रे? Sandeep understood his mistake. But you no need a omkar sir for this. You can do that. Correct Sandeep? Chalo. I am getting shocked. How my students are getting error now after explaining everything very clearly. Chalo, tomorrow class is at what time? 10 a.m. online. I want everyone should present. Now here almost 250 members are online, 150 members are offline. 400 members should be present tomorrow. Tomorrow one of the best class. One of the best class and upcoming class. And how we did in the class now. And tomorrow also we will do the same from scratch only. From scratch only. Workshop. Online. Already shared. Already shared na chinna? Not shared, huh? Already shared, no? No, not shared. I will share today. And I want to say one thing, ma. Like, I got invitation from Dr. Reddy's workshop. So which topic will cover there? Genia only, na? Here I uploaded, ma. The workshop I uploaded. I will share that one thing. March 5th, 3 p.m. workshop is there in Dr. Reddy's. Okay. So Dr. Reddy's, what they will do? Software employees, huh? Pharma. Pharma companies. So I am going to there to give that there is a presentation on the AI, generative AI. Let's see how it will goes. And here workshop detail, ma. Workshop detail I will upload now. It is already uploaded in our community group. In our community group is already uploaded, ma. Community group. Online people. Tomorrow workshop. Community group already uploaded. And upload now in the Google Classroom also. I'll share to everyone. Crew AI we will do. Like Srivastav is rigorously working on that. Will come with good use case. Chalo ma, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the session. See you in the workshop. Bye. Nikhil, bolo. Arey, why you are giving server key? This is which one? Which key you need to provide? What we have tried? No. Google required which key? Google required Google Gemini key. Gemini key किधर है? इसको भी अलाउ करना है यहाँ पे. हाँ, इसको भी अलाउ करना. वो नेम इधर कॉपी करना. This is server key different. Server key only for searching. इधर Gemini key. Okay. सर्वर के नहीं है, गूगल की है. जेमिनी की. जेमिनी की डिफरेंट, सर्वर की डिफरेंट. अंडरस्टूड? सर्वर की फॉर ओनली सर्चिंग. Gemini key will talk with the chatting. Gemini model. Now a Gemini key the replace करना. Searching, Google search. Tomorrow we will do. Now run करो. Now answer आ रहा है. Job ad है ना? बोलो. 1 minute ma. First of all, you should not use server key. Server key వాడొద్దు ఇది. ఇక్కడ ఎవరు వీళ్ళు? ఇక్కడ జనరేట్ Google Gen AI. Google Gen AI required Gemini key.